Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to upload photo to DeepSeek. After opening a DeepSeek message, just tap on this plus icon, and here you can select this camera option to take an instant photo to send or to upload a photo from your gallery. Select image OCR, and now go ahead and from your gallery select the photo that you want to send to DeepSeek. So in my case, I'm selecting this photo, for example, and let's add this photo. And it may take some moments to upload the photo here. Now, once the photo added, you can write a message here for your image, or you can write here a command for the image. Now just tap on send and the photo will be sent to the DeepSeek. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.